In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set phone call alerts in TradingView. If you want your chart alerts to ring your phone, you'll need two pieces working together: TradingView to generate the alert, and a call notification service to place the phone call. Start by registering with a reputable calling service such as CallHook Pro that supports webhooks. During sign-up, complete any required verification and security prompts. Many services require two-factor authentication to keep your account and webhook access secure. And you'll need that in place before your alerts can call you reliably. With your calling service account ready, head to TradingView and open the chart you want to monitor. To create an alert, click the alert icon, the bell in the top toolbar. If you prefer, you can also right-click directly on the chart and choose Add Alert. Either way, this brings up the alert creation window, where you define how TradingView should watch the market for you. In the alert window, go to the notifications section. This is where you tell TradingView how to notify you when your alert condition is met. Check the option labeled Webhook URL to enable webhook delivery. This feature lets TradingView send a secure message to another service when the alert triggers. Now, switch over to your calling services dashboard and copy the webhook URL provided there. This is the address TradingView will contact to trigger your phone call. Back in TradingView, paste that URL into the webhook field. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that you've copied the full link exactly as provided by your service. Before you finish, confirm your calling service shows the webhook as active, and that your account's two-factor authentication is set up, since many providers require it for webhooks to function. When everything looks correct, click Create in the TradingView alert window to activate your alert. From this point on, when the alert condition is met, TradingView will send a webhook to your calling service, and the service will place a phone call to the number on your account. If you ever stop receiving calls, first verify that your webhook is still active with your provider, and double-check that webhooks are enabled in the specific TradingView alert you created. Also make sure your TradingView plan supports webhooks, as this feature may be limited on certain tiers. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.